Welcome to Avishkar's Innovators of Tomorrow Internship Program 2023, where we support young Avishkaris to become future innovators. Through this program, they get to work on Avishkar's ongoing projects and some of their own personal projects too. So they get some solid experience of working in innovation teams. This year, Avishkaar has launched the AI coding platform for all its products, wherein robots can be trained to take user input in the form of images, live video, hand gestures, body posture, and face expression and carry out specific instructions. So without further ado, let's see what these interns have come up with.
My name is Vani. I'm 16 years old and a student of Modern Delhi International School. I am making an AI-based rock, paper, scissors game which detects a human player's hand signs and competes with a computer.
Hi, my name is Rakshit Tiwari and I'm 15 years old and I study in BGC International Public School. I'm making an agriculture robot which automatically cuts grasses using sensors and it uses AI to detect nearby animals and scare them away.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Agrawal. I'm 14 years old and I study in Shriram School, Malsari. I'm building a fitness tracker which uses AI to detect the exercise I'm doing and ensure that I stick to my health routine.
Hi, my name is Avishkaar. I'm 13 years old and I study in DAV Person Coach. I'm making an automatic door which is controlled by AI and that permits the user that are allowed inside the room but doesn't permit the user that are allowed.
Hello everyone, my name is Swanik. I am 12 years old. I am from Venkateshwar Global School. Today I will tell you my project. My project is a AI car which uses emergency brake whenever the driver is sleeping. This reduces the causes of accidents.
Hi, my name is Pawan. I am 11 years old. I study in BBPS Noida. I have been working on making the video for this production.
Avishkaar values diversity and fosters a culture of collaboration. I had a chance to work with different people of different backgrounds and learn from their perspectives.
This Avishkaar internship program gave me a chance to apply my classroom knowledge to practical projects. It was an incredible learning experience.
The Avishkaar internship program has allowed me to showcase my work in front of industry professionals. It has helped me boost my confidence and make a professional network.
I am amazed by the team that helped me so much to make this project.
The experience I am getting at Avishkaar internship is very good and it is opening the doors for my future opportunities. It is like a step of stone for my dream job.
Avishkaar internship is a truly unique experience that allows you to immerse yourself in real-world scenarios, tackle challenges, and also contribute to meaningful projects. It is a very good prospect of discovering your passion and also new facets of the field of robotics.
At Avishkaar, we provide a supportive and inclusive environment where interns are treated as valuable members of our team. They participate in regular brainstorming sessions, feedback meetings, get mentorship and technical guidance. They get the opportunity to work alongside the Avishkaar experts and contribute to real-world projects and make a difference.